the cheekiness of the SEC in launching this fake ICO. I think it's and they use a couple words: democratize, which appeals to the millennials, anti-establishment lovers of crypto, right? Who want to democratize, decentralize, etc., and democratize travel and leisure, experiential. So really going for that.
Surprised they didn't have a picture of a guy with a big beard and some skinny jeans on, and
like one of those tight gingham shirts,
like the ones Steve
or blonde Superman.
But Steve wears in the weekend. For more on this and future regulation, let's bring in Rand Neuner. He is the founder of On-Chain Capital, the host of CNBC Africa's Crypto Trader. Rand, great to have you back.
Nice to be here.
So obviously this was a major topic at Consensus. This is a major topic in the crypto world in general, and that is how does the SEC, how does the CFTC sort of divvy up the world? And Ether got all the attention, I think, earlier this week, right, in terms of is Ether a security or is Ether a commodity? Because that's going to make a big difference in terms of how it's traded.
Well, I think the initiative by the SEC was a great one, but I think the joke is on the SEC now because they need to come out with regulation. If they don't come out with regulation, then they may stifle an entire industry. Now, I know they're balancing investor protection with the need to grow an industry, but if you look to places like Japan and Singapore, they've got thriving ICOs and they've got a thriving new industry. And my fear, having traveled extensively to that region and spoken to all the founders and the legislators there, is that the USA actually may be falling behind, and that we may not get a Silicon Valley here in the USA because it may all fall into the legislations that are favorable towards these ICOs and have got some kind of regulation in place.
But does the innovation have to come from where the ICOs are?
So if you haven't had a chance, definitely check out Crypto Trader. You can YouTube it. It's a great program. I've shared their videos in the past. Unfortunately, they don't get as many views as this Fast Money, which is unfortunate. But that's the guy that was last speaking. He's the host, and he brings up a great point. What's really awesome about this guy is he actually travels all over the world and has a great international perspective. And he's totally right that, yes, the SEC could be a threat to Ether, and they still haven't set up clear regulations on what's going to happen. And that way, in a way, Ether could be, and some of the coins that are trying to mimic Ether are going to be possibly, by the way, why am I saying Ether? Ethereum. Anyways, there's no clear regulations, and that could affect the price. But the bigger risk the United States has, and this is why I'm going to lobby to the people, my Congress people, and hopefully you guys will do the same, is that I don't want the U.S. to fall behind, because he is totally right. There's countries like Japan and other countries that will embrace the crypto technology, and if they set up clear regulations and they make it easier for people to enter their market and do business there in a legal way, which is going to be the legit projects, the U.S. and whatever country you're in could miss out on that economy, on the jobs, on the innovation. So it's really important that our government figures it out. And a previous video mentioned that the Democrats would be more strict with crypto regulations than Republicans. So let's not let that happen. If you happen to be involved with politics, or anyone involved with politics, I would definitely try to reach out to them and say, hey, this is a great opportunity to create jobs. In the United States, we don't manufacture stuff anymore, so one of the things that we sell is technology and our services. So it's really, really important that we figure out this crypto regulation, and that way not only will it make it more clear for the legitimate projects on what they need to do to protect investors and to run in a clean operation, but at the same time it's hard for this crypto market, and as you can tell right now, we're kind of down. We're looking like it could dip even more, but I don't see us breaking that $1 trillion market cap if we don't get clear regulations. So until then, I'm hoping by the end of the year they'll pass something, and obviously the market cap for all cryptocurrencies will hit over $1 trillion, but we're gonna have to wait and see. So let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.